Good morning, children. In this class, we will find a quadratic polynomial if the zeros alpha and beta are given. What is the standard form of quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c. Suppose alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, and here take a common, x square plus b by a x plus c by a. So take a common, a into x square into a by a, that is b by a x plus c by a bracket x square, write b by a as minus b by a into x plus c by a, and a bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is sum of the zeros and alpha beta is the product of the zeros. Substitute values. So alpha plus beta, in place of minus b by a, put alpha plus beta, and in place of c by a, put alpha beta. So here a is the constant. Generally we take the constant k, and we will use the formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the quadratic polynomial whenever the zeros alpha and beta are given. We will practice some problems in exercise number 3.3, second Roman. So second Roman, first bit 1 by 4 comma minus 1. The question is, find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as sum and the product of the zeros. So these two are sum and product of the zeros. Sum and product of the zeros. So call the zeros as alpha and beta. Let alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So given sum of the zeros 1 by 4. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4. And product of the zeros minus 1. Alpha beta is equal to minus 1. Now the quadratic polynomial with zeros. The quadratic polynomial with zeros alpha comma beta is given by k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Substitute the above values in the equation. Kx square minus alpha plus beta 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta minus 1. Take LCM 4. So LCM is 4. Multiply with 4. 4x square minus 1x. 4 multiplication. Plus or minus minus. 4 ones are 4. So whenever the denominator is 4, take k value 4. If k is equal to 4, the polynomial becomes k4, 4 cancel. The polynomial becomes 4x square minus x minus 4. Second bit, root 2 comma 1 by 3. So let alpha and beta are the zeros. Given sum of the zeros alpha plus beta is equal to root 2, and the product of the zeros alpha beta is equal to 1 by 3. Substitute the values in the formula. K bracket x square minus sum of the zeros root 2 into x plus alpha beta 1 by 3. So what is the LCM here? 3. Multiply with 3. 3x square minus multiply with 3. 3 into root 2 into x plus 1. So take k value 3. If k is equal to 3, the polynomial becomes 3x square minus 3 into root 2x plus 1. This is the final answer. Third bit 0 comma root 5. So sum of the zeros is 0. Given first step as usual, let alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Given alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and alpha beta is equal to root 5. So substitute the values in the formula. K bracket x square minus alpha plus beta 0 into x plus alpha beta root 5. So that is equal, that is k x square, this value 0 plus a root 5. Here no denominator, that's why I take k value 1. So if k is equal to 1, the polynomial becomes x square plus root 5. So we'll practice one more bit in the Roman. Take a fifth bit, minus 1 by 4, comma 1 by 4. Let given sum of the zeros alpha plus beta minus 1 by 4, product of the zeros alpha beta is equal to 1 by 4. Substitute the values in the formula k into x square minus 1 by 4 into x plus alpha beta 1 by 4. The denominator LCM is 4. 4 multiplication 4x square minus of minus plus x plus 1. If k is equal to 4, the polynomial becomes 4x square plus x plus 1. This is the second Roman. So the second Roman, sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros are given. We will find the quadratic polynomial. Go to the third Roman. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros alpha and beta are given by. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha and beta are given by the first bit 2 comma minus 1. So here zeros are given. Take the first zero, alpha is equal to 2 and the second zero, beta is equal to minus 1. Find sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, 2 plus minus 1, that is equal to plus of minus of minus, 2 minus 1, 1. Product of the zeros, alpha beta, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 ones are 2. The quadratic polynomial, the QP, with zeros, alpha comma beta is given by k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So k bracket into x square minus alpha plus beta value 1 into x plus alpha beta value minus 2. So k bracket k into x square minus x minus 2. Therefore, take k value 1. If k is equal to 1, the polynomial becomes x square minus x minus 2. Second bit, root 3 comma minus root 3. Let alpha is equal to root 3 comma beta is equal to minus root 3. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to root 3 plus minus root 3, that is equal to root 3 minus root 3 is equal to 0. Alpha beta is equal to root 3 into minus root 3, symbol minus, root 3 into root 3 whole square, square root to cancel, the answer is minus 3. Substitute the values in the formula. The quadratic polynomial k into x square minus alpha plus beta 0 into x plus alpha beta minus 3. K bracket x square 0 into x 0 plus or minus minus 3. So if k is equal to 1, the polynomial becomes x square minus 3. One by 4 third bit, 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Let alpha is equal to 1 by 4, beta is equal to minus 1. Sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta, 1 by 4 plus minus 1. Take LCM 4, 1 plus or minus minus, 4 ones are 4, 1 minus 4, minus 3 by 4. alpha beta is equal to 1 by 4 into minus 1 minus 1 ones are 1 by 4. Substitute the values in the formula k of x square minus alpha plus beta minus 3 by 4 into x plus alpha beta minus 1 by 4. So take LCM 4, k bracket, LCM is 4, 4x square, minus of minus plus 3x, plus into minus, minus 1. So denominator is 4, take k value 4. So if k is equal to 4, the polynomial becomes 4x square plus 3x minus 1. So one more last bit is there. Fourth bit 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Take the first 0. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and beta is equal to 3 by 2. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to LCM same. One denominators are same. 1 plus 3 by 2, 4 by 2. That is equal to 2 ones to 2s. Alpha beta 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. 1 3s are 3 by 2 2s are 4. Substitute the values in the formula k of x square minus alpha plus beta 2 into x plus alpha beta 3 by 4. LCM 4, 4x square, 4 multiplication minus 8x plus 3. If k is equal to 4, the polynomial becomes 4x square minus 8x plus 3. So here in this class we use the formula to find a quadratic polynomial k of x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So in the next class I will explain about a cubic polynomial. Thank you.